Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 4MATIC. This vehicle has a silver exterior and a gray interior. Some dark wood grain trim as well. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back of the vehicle. So you have our 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLK 350 badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of storage space here, and those rear seats can easily fold down if you need a little extra storage. Push button to close the trunk again. Take a look at our rear seats here. And then to fold those down, easy peasy. Now I'll take a look at the front of the vehicle. We have driver's side memory seats with the controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 39,783. We have a push button ignition. Here's our Mercedes-Benz navigation system and radio. Below that we have our climate control and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.